Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Upwork title and profile image. So before we head on to how you can go about that, you should like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First, you need to ensure that your Upwork profile is complete up to 85% and more. 85% should be the minimum, so you could do that by filling your education, your work history, putting your employment history, putting your portfolio, anything that just gets you to 85% at least makes you stand out from every other talent out there. Secondly, you need to work on your profile image. You need to ensure that the image that you are putting on your profile is a close-up image of your face, a professional looking image. If you don't have an image like this, or you have an image where you are standing fully, or you appear head to bottom, you can edit that photo and just take out the image. So how can you do that? You can go to remove.bg. It's a website where you can remove the background of your image and insert a new one. Why you should use colored, why I prefer color images behind than this. If you look over here, this is the normal image before I remove the background and added this green. Is because when you appear in the search result, the image tends to stand out from every other person's image, so the clients will be triggered to want to click on your image to see what you offer. So in order to have such an image, you go to remove.bg, click on upload image. When you do that, you choose the image. Okay, let me use this image for an example. This is a full image. For those that have full images, so I'm going to remove the background of that image. You don't do anything, the website is going to work on its own. I remove the background. This is the background, this is just me standing. Immediately you remove the background, you click on edit. On clicking on edit, you can change the background to anyone. I am just playing around. This is how people would get to edit their background. Imagine I'm standing as though I was in this beach, or I could be standing as though I'm on this ground. Okay, but that's not what we want to do. So we want to change the background. You can choose white, it could be purple, red. So I prefer this image, this color being the lime green or orange. This makes you stand out, or yellow. So I'm going to go with yellow, and that's it. I'm going to download the image. Then I'm going to come over here and click on this. Now for SEO purposes, it's always important to rename this image. You have to go to where you downloaded it and rename it to whatever it is you are offering. Let's say for example you are an accountant, you rename it to expert accountant, a copywriter, a graphics designer, you rename it, or rename it according to the service you're offering, so that when someone is searching for something on Google based on that keyword, copywriter or accountant, your image can come up also as part of the result. So for SEO purpose, it's always good to rename. In this case, I'm not going to do that because this is a sample I'm showing you. So I'm just going to click on change image, click on the downloads. This is the image I downloaded. Now, it's not advised to have a full image like this. It needs to be a close-up image of your face. So if you, I'm using this as an example, if you have an image that is not a close-up image of your face, you can always zoom this in, zoom it in. It might not be as clear as when it's an image of your face. So ensure that the image you are taking should be an image of your face. So this is like an example to show you what it will look like. This is what it will look like. This is what it will look like. This is not clear because it's a far image, so ensure it's a close-up image of your face. So I'm going to go over and choose the one I had done before, the one that was on this profile, which is this, because that's a close-up image of my face. And I'm going to adjust it to be in the middle and to look good. So you move it so that's it, and then I'll save the image. So ensure it's a close-up image of your face that shows your face clearly. You could be smiling, grinning, or keeping a straight face, anyone that works for you. And once you've edited the image and your image is good to go, the next thing you need to work on is your profile title. Your profile title is important because when prospective clients search for a service, your profile title helps you get discovered fast. So this is what you do, and this is what I do. First, I go to search, click on this and choose by talents, so that we will check what other talents are using as their title. So I'm going to check what other people are offering. So I'll search for community manager, click on it. So when I click on it, here someone say NFT community manager, and look at her profile picture. She's standing out and she has earned like 100k plus, and her offer is $30 per hour. And this her image alone to me makes her stand out, makes her look like okay, makes a client want to be like, okay, what does she offer? So that's why a close-up image of you, something that is very attractive, is important also. So now when we're talking about the title, look at this: NFT community manager, professional NFT community manager, community manager, social media manager, Facebook community manager, social media manager. So when someone clicks on community manager, it's important that instead of putting generic job titles like community manager like I did over there, or marketing consultant, or sales page copywriter, you should focus 100% on the result you provide, like she did here. NFT community manager, she's an NFT community manager. A professional NFT community manager, social media manager. So Zoho CRM, blueprints, business processing mapping. This is the services that this person offers. So the person is very specific about it. 2 years community manager, moderator in NFT games, also a NFT grinder. So this person is also being specific. So that's what you should do, not just being all round a community manager like I did over on my profile. So once you've gotten your title right by looking at what other people are offering, the next thing to do is your profile overview. I'll be discussing this in the next video. Check for a link to the video in the description. Before I go, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I also have a post on Instagram on samples and examples of profile titles for different niches, so you can check down the description. I'm going to put a link there to that post. Do well to follow me on Instagram to see more content like this. Thanks, guys.